For this raw vegan spaghetti and no meatball recipe, soak 2 diced and pitted medjool dates in water to soften them up. Chop off the ends of 3 large zucchini. Peel off the bitter skin. Slice to thirds and spiralize into zucchini noodles, tossing the zucchini mushroom and the green recycle bin. For the marinara sauce, add 1/2 of a teaspoon truffle salt, or you can just use your favorite salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 of a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of red or yellow onion chopped, 8 medium-sized tomatoes, or my favorite, 3 cups of cherry tomatoes, sliced, 1 pressed garlic clove, add the 2 chopped dates. Blend marinara sauce ingredients in your high-speed blender on low. You can keep it chunky if you prefer, but I think it tastes better pureed. Mix with 2 tablespoons of raw walnuts. Mix marinara sauce into zoodles and press into 2 silicone dehydrator trays. So it looks like this. Dehydrate at 115 degrees for 4 to 6 hours until warm. For the cauliflower meatballs, chop 10 ounces of raw cauliflower into small, even pieces and place in your high-speed blender. Seed, core, and dice 1 red bell pepper. Add to blender. Remove ends from 1 medium carrot. Peel off tough skin. Shred. Dice 1 pitted medjool date. Add to blender. Peel, slice, and chop about 1 tablespoon of a white or yellow onion. Add to blender. Add 1/2 of a teaspoon dried garlic powder, 1/2 of a teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon truffle salt, 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos, 1/2 of a teaspoon beet powder for sweetness and a meat-like color, 1/4 of a teaspoon smoked paprika, which adds a barbecued smoky flavor, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast to add a cheesy flavor to. In a medium-sized bowl, add 1/4 of a cup room temperature drinking water, 1 tablespoon whole flax seeds shown here. Add 1 teaspoon ground fennel powder, the soaked flax seeds, 1 tablespoon freshly ground flax seeds to blender. Pop the lid on with a tamper and press down the ingredients on low to fully combine. You want the meatball mixture to be slightly chunky, not completely pureed. Add the shredded carrots and take the food for a quick ride in the blender. Spoon the contents from the blender into a large bowl. It looks like this. You can even eat a bite. Remove the stems of 4 medium-sized washed mushrooms, rough chop, and add to the bowl. With gloved hands, form into meatballs. The smaller they are, the quicker they dehydrate and quote unquote cook. The small ones usually take about 24 hours and the large ones about 30 hours. Place the rack under the flimsy tray to prevent contents from falling on the floor. Dehydrate at 113 to 115 degrees. Give it a taste. Oops, I dehydrated it a bit too long. Place the dehydrated marinara zoodles, top with a few cauliflower meaty balls and or marinated mushrooms that I've marinated in coconut aminos. Drizzle with balsamic vinegar and sprinkle with nutritional yeast and sliced briny green olives. If the meatballs are too dehydrated, add a bit of balsamic dressing. I like to serve it with red grapes. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook, with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.